Lamborghini Aventador is the model that replaced the Lamborghini Murcielago. Specifications: the Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 has a 60-degree V12 engine with a capacity of 6,498 cubic centimeters, and the engine can produce 700 horsepower/690 Newton-meters of power. The Aventador completes its 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in 2.9 seconds, and can reach a maximum speed of 350 km/h. The emission value of the vehicle is 398 grams per kilometer. The vehicle has an all-drive AWD drivetrain and consumes 17.2 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers. The car has a 7-speed transmission and the shift delay time is 50 milliseconds. The Lamborghini Aventador resembles the Reventón, but the Aventador is more powerful than the Reventón. The Aventador has an all-drive drivetrain. The front tires of the vehicle are 255/30 and the rear tires are 335/30 ZR20. The fuel capacity of the car is 90 liters. In 2012, the LB835 Roadster model was considered for the Aventador. History: after 8 years of the release of the Miura model in 1966, the Countach model replaced the Miura. Countach is the longest produced model in the Aventador generation, 1974 to 1990. Diablo, which resembles the Countach but is more powerful, replaced the Countach. The famous sports car of the 90s gave way to the Murcielago in the 2000s. Murcielago was first produced with a V12 engine that has 605 horsepower. Later, the higher performance LP640 and LP670-4 Superveloce models of Murcielago were produced. Nowadays, Aventador has replaced Murcielago. So, Aventador is the 5th generation of Miura.